Today we shall study about the sex determination in birds. So far we have studied that the sex determination in organisms, that is of three types: X0 type, XY type, and now we shall study ZW type. In birds there are two types of gametes formed by females, and only one type of gamete is formed by males. So here it is the case of female heterogamety. It has been observed that the eggs are of two types, one having Z chromosome, another having W chromosome, whereas the males, they produce only the sperms having Z chromosomes. It means the genetic composition in males, that is ZZ, having ZZ X chromosome, whereas in females that is having ZW chromosome. So here female decides the sex of the child. Here the ova, they are of two types. So this is the case of female heterogamety. Now we are going to study the sex determination in honeybee. Students, it is very peculiar type of sex determination in honeybee. In honeybee, the sex determination is based on the number of sets of chromosome an individual receives. An offspring formed from the union of a sperm and an egg develops as a female, that is either queen or worker, and an unfertilized egg develops as a male, which are called as drones, by means of parthenogenesis. This means that the males have half the number of chromosomes than that of a female. The females are diploid having 32 chromosomes and males are haploid having 16 chromosomes. This is called a haplodiploid sex determination system and has special characteristic features such as the males produce sperm by mitosis. You look here in the figure, the males produce sperms by mitosis. They do not have father and thus cannot have sons, but they have a grandfather and can have a grandson. So here you find that the type of chromosome is not deciding the type of the sex of the organism. Rather, it is the number which decides the sex of offsprings. If it is haploid, it becomes male, and if it is diploid, it becomes female. So this is a peculiar type of sex determination seen in honeybee.